A Solitaire app advertising, "No ID required," does not necessarily mean you can withdraw real money without verification, because the withdrawal stage can trigger identity checks even when registration is simple. For 2026, the safer way to compare these apps is to separate three things: downloading the game, earning a balance, and actually withdrawing cash. Those steps can have different requirements. Number 5 is Solitaire Cash. It offers competitive Solitaire and cash prize features in eligible locations. Registration may be straightforward, but cash withdrawals can involve account verification. Check the current withdrawal requirements before entering paid competitions. Number 4 is Solitaire Clash. The app focuses on competitive solitaire matches and may offer cash prizes where available. Do not assume that avoiding an ID upload during registration means the same applies when you request a withdrawal. Number 3 is Solitaire Smashing Dart. It has appeared in real money and reward-based promotions, but requirements can vary depending on the platform through which you access the offer. Check the specific payout terms attached to your account. Number 2 is Solitaire Station. It combines solitaire gameplay with reward features. If you are using it through a third-party rewards platform, remember that the verification rules may come from the rewards provider, rather than the solitaire game itself. Number 1 is any solitaire app that clearly states its current withdrawal verification policy before you deposit or enter a cash competition. That transparency is more useful than a simple no-eat claim on an advertisement. Here is what to check before playing. First, look at the withdrawal page, not just the registration page. That is where identity requirements are most likely to matter. Second, check the exact wording around verification. A platform might not require an ID for gameplay, but still require government-issued identification, payment verification, or other documentation before releasing cash. Third, check whether the app is actually offering cash prizes in your location. Real money features can be restricted by jurisdiction. Also be careful with apps promising completely anonymous withdrawals. Legitimate payment providers and real money gaming platforms may have legal or fraud prevention requirements that require customer verification. If your priority is privacy rather than avoiding verification at all costs, choose an app that explains exactly what information it collects and why it is required. The key takeaway is simple: Solitaire Cash, Solitaire Clash, Solitaire Smash, and Solitaire Stash can offer real money or reward features, but you should not assume any of them guarantees cash withdrawals without identity verification. Your next step is to check the current withdrawal terms before spending money or completing a large reward requirement. If this guide helped, like the video and subscribe for more 2026 Solitaire app guides.